gonna do? Lift it off?
We'll cut on the roof.
We'll get caught.
I can cut this corner. I can cut, look, it's nowhere near this. I can remove that. Look, I got 2 foot gap right there. I can cut this whole corner right here.
You got that knife move.
I thought it might start going over, but we can't get to go over.
Okay,
I don't think there is.
I got like a whole foot of clearance. Stick. You can lower it right down for me, please. Trust me, I've learned my lesson on that. Yeah, look at him all
Boxing procedure.
101.
Alright, so. Alright, we have to go my way, I guess.
Pretty.
For now, that'll work. All right, we need ratchets. Take these off. Let's cut these. Have y'all cut those other straps.
Got it.
Tommy,
That part very good.
I was looking at that last night because I just mowed my grass the other day to make sure I had time to do it.
Set those off. Does anybody got a ratchet set in here? Oh,
Mine are actually
90% chance of thunderstorms
on the
and
jaw.
showers.
They're hitting on me.
What time they start?
So I have to get them out of the piano all day.
that don't stop us usually. Right. Yeah, they can stop a household a lot quicker than it can a single item move.
Yeah.
Single item move usually we keep them pretty good. Unless it's just really poor.
Half inch, maybe smaller.
That's what she said. That's what she said, Scott. Sorry about that.
Story of my life.
Fingers.
Find it? Find it?
Negative. Yeah, we're 13. Which is one of the small ones.
Are we gonna meet Kate here in a little bit?
Mommy too.
And Mommy too? Ooh.
That ain't gonna work. Seems
No
smaller than that.
forget.
7/16. You guys.
You gonna be a rock star?
What? Yeah,
The rocket's me.
but stop it.
You gonna be a rock star?
No, the rocket.
Oh, you're a rocket?
FM14. There's 13.
the Steinway.
Yeah, what?
Don't upgrade the Steinway. It's not going out for,
Not the M.
oh good.
The
I need
O.
to take pictures of it and send to the client. And I have 10 pictures of it for Flag Road.
One at a time. Alright, just do one at a time.
How long of a video is that?
We got 4 minutes.
What's wrong with this ratchet or am
You got that one.
Wiggle your nose.
No, Daddy.
Oh, she had it done in ebony, huh?
Daddy.
What is it, buddy? That's my boy.
Love you, boy. Hey, Chuck.
Huh? They completely restored it. Finish as well as finish as well as
You could see the like handprints and stuff all up and down the spindle.
yeah, I can see some
That's rough.
imperfections right there in the finish. Straight out of the box.
Yeah, right here, look.
What is that?
Right here.
Got a little bit of something going on right there. We're just documenting the uncrating of the Steinway O. Carolyn Hudson.
I was the one that redid.
I don't want to be charged for it. I didn't do it.
Jeez.
Got a
I think Tana's got it up there.
definitely some marks right there going down the leg, right out of the box from Steinway. So,
Are you taking pictures?
video. Keyboard carriage wouldn't stay here to
That one's got
do a damage report, so I wanted to video it just to.
Yeah, there's some marks on where your thumb's at.
See that?
Look where your thumb's at, Ted.
There's a mark right down the center.
Yeah, all over.
Huh. Well, that's the way it came right out of the box, Carolyn. In case we ever have to show this. All right.
Get down to me.
Put that quiet back on. All right, one thing you never do when you're uncrating a new Steinway is cut these. I've done that before and the lid falls. Anyway, I thought the lathes would be a little bit sharper. We got a rubber hammer.
I mean, it's behind Scott.
Thank you, Scott.
Yes, sir.
Tell Scott this morning.
Scott's fantastic, sir.
Yeah, all right.
Living in the proverbial cream.
We're alive and breathing, that's what matters.
Yes, sir. And nightmares are dreams too.
Three.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Right. Yeah, there's definitely some marks on these legs. I just put a new one on. But, gotta get the leg on there. We grab a plan out of that room. They're coming to the right.
Too loud. Too loud.
Okay, Bubba.
We roll it up like a pedal pad.
Muchas gracias.
A little movement in that leg, but I guess it's just part of it.
Here you are.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this, Brandon, because you got a low battery.